little bit, I guess. I passed two of them people. And there was a third one up here, but I don't know where they went. It looks like there's more way up there. Been snapping a couple pictures. Might have one or two that turned out. I took about 30 pictures. If I got 5, I'll be happy. I had some birds fly by. They were over there on the other side of that house right there. I'm hoping you can see that. And so they were kind of far away, but hopefully I got good pictures of them. And I can zoom in, see what they really look like. We're just walking. I don't know how far we can walk. Yeah, that's kind of my challenge today. Plan is to metal detect later, but it's it's early. It's like, I don't know, I'm going to say 2:30 in the afternoon on a fabulous Friday that I can actually say is Friday. Not my Friday, it is my Friday also. It is Friday and my Friday. This week and next week I got the weekend off and the weekend after. So I got next 3 weekends I'm on. So anyhow, we're just continue to walk. So let's kick that. I'm just gonna walk, enjoy my walk. Snap pictures of waves, I guess. There ain't much else out here. Oh, a plane. It's a plane, boss. It's a plane. Wanna watch a wave? Let's see what I can do to make sure you can watch it. Alright, here it comes. Should be a good one right there. Hopefully that was all on video. Hopefully I've had it pointed in the right direction. At the right angle anyhow. Is that the right direction? If I get brave, I might work on some really good pictures and stand out there in the water a little bit. I have to empty my pockets and put down all my gear. But I don't seem to be that bad. They seem to be crashing. I noticed the first person I passed back there, a younger lady, mid-20s, I'm guessing. She was standing like out there, like where, right there, where that little wave just crashed. Not the big wave, the little wave. And she didn't seem to be bothered by it. And that would be a good angle at some of these waves that are crashing. I don't know, by 10, 20 feet off the shore. So I might try that. For now, we're just walking. Can you see those people? What if I zoom in? I don't know how in and out of focus that just went, but hopefully you can still somewhat see them. Alright, we're just gonna walk. I'll let you know in a little bit how far we are.